Now let's say we have taken a loan amount from a bank or any financial institution at the interest rate of 8% for 2 years, or if you want in months you can have 24 months. Now you need to calculate what will be your actual monthly installment to pay this loan in full, pay this loan completely. Because if you've taken $50,000 as a loan but there's an interest rate, so in any case you will be paying more than that. You need to pay the interest as well. Now the monthly installment is calculated by a function known as PMT, equals to PMT tab. First is rate, so our interest rate is 8%. If you want to calculate in months, divide by 12, comma, net period. So if you want for, because these functions by standard they work in year format, so what we need to do, we need to select our cell C6 and then multiply by 12. So it will be into 12. So this will be our monthly period. Then again present value. So our present value is 50,000. Then future value, we don't need any future value. We need to completely close this out. So it will be 0. Again type could be 0 or 1, anything. So I will simply close this here and press enter. You see? So it's 2261.36. So it will be 2261.36 into 24. Okay, just a second. It should be equals to here. So actually we are taking a loan of 50,000, but we are paying 54,272.64. Okay. So if you multiply it by 24, so we are paying this much in actual. $4,272.64 is our interest which we are paying on 50,000. So by making use of this PMT function, you can calculate your monthly installments if you are planning to take a loan from a bank, or even if, let's say, this formula is for banking professionals as well, because when client come to you, they ask for a loan, they will ask you for the monthly installment and all. So you can use this formula to calculate and tell them, sir, this will be a month. If you are taking this much amount of loan at this interest rate, then this would be your monthly installment.